of swinging was seen there.
Oh, we got to take a look at that again.
Not all the time ay madadala sa emosyon itong si De La Vergen at saka si Wamar. Usually, two cool-headed guys.
Yeah, actually, that's true.
But here, the physicality really getting to both of them.
Oh, you know, also maybe the pressures of this game. Both teams wanting to secure a hold on the respective spots in their respective divisions. Team natin.
Both the security team, both their teammates kept their cools. Talagang silang dalawa lang.
Actually,
You know, it was really a one-on-one battle.
it could have been much worse.
It could have been much worse. So, thrown out itong si De La Vergen at si Wamar.
Batangas City will try and navigate this 18-point deficit that they are in without one of their main guards.
Well, MJ De La Vergen was really there to give CJ Iset some rest entering the fourth quarter.
It's off of that 24. Miranda attacks left. Di sila nagkaintindihan doon ni Mike Malonzo. Senator Chingo Estrada was ready for that pass. Pero para sa mga di nakakaalam, Senator Jinggoy was actually a good basketball player back in his day.
Actually, I did not know that. Oh, grabe. Behind the back pass.
Panyamoga.